Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that BitTensor token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, BitTensor is a decentralized blockchain protocol incentivizing collaborative machine intelligence production through a tokenized network of AI models and contributors. BitTensor is an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain based machine learning network. Machine learning models train collaboratively and rewarded in tau according to the informational value they offer the collective. Tau also grants external access, allowing users to extract information from the network while turning its activity to their needs. Ultimately, their vision is to create a pure market for artificial intelligence and incentivize arena in which consumers and producers of this valuable commodity can interact in a trustless, open, and transparent context. BitTensor enables a novel optimized strategy for the developers and distributions of artificial intelligence technology by leveraging the possibilities of a distributed ledger, specifically its facilitation of open access ownership, decentralized governance, and the ability to harness globally distributed resources of computing power and innovation within an incentivized framework. Repository of machine intelligence accessible to anyone, everywhere, thus creating the condition for open and permissionless innovation on a global global internet scale. Distribution of rewards and network ownership to users in direct proportion to the value they have added. Bitensor position Tau as both a currency for decentralized AI services and a governance tools for an open machine intelligence ecosystem. Its Bitcoin-like scarcity and subnet-driven innovation challenges centralized AI dominance. Bitensor position Tau as both a currency for decentralized AI services and a governance tools for open machine intelligence ecosystems. Its Bitcoin-like scarcity and subnet-driven innovation challenges centralized AI dominance. With Tensor token total supply is 21 million and circulating supply is around 10.46 million Tau token. Tau token is listed on popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project 95% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.